Hello, my people. Warm welcome. So, today we're talking about Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, and it is time for my Investment Mastery series. So, who all are here? Please acknowledge. And I begin. So, guys, Senior Citizen Savings Scheme is an absolutely safe scheme. It ensures guaranteed income for any of our senior citizens. So if you have your mom, dad, parents-in-law, aunts, uncles, anybody that you want to support as a caregiver, then this is one scheme which is definitely for them and it can support them crazily well. So first 2 points are it's absolutely safe. Number 2, ensures guaranteed income. Number 3, it is for senior citizens only. It was launched in 2004 and it is a deposit scheme backed by the Government of India. The capital, the money that you invest in this scheme is completely protected. So the money that you're investing is absolutely safe. However, it may not be inflation protected. So like I always say, inflation is mehengai. So it's not inflation protected if the rate of return on this scheme is lesser than the inflation rate in our country. So as of now is the inflation rate, mehengai ka dar, it is between 6 and 7%. However, the return that you make on this scheme is 7.4% for this quarter. So still it's a little over. So you make it, it protects you from inflation. However, if any time it becomes lesser, the rate of return becomes lesser, then it will not be inflation protected. And the rate of return is aligned with the government securities rate. So, and generally there's a difference of about 1% from it. So the government has decided to review the rate of return of this senior citizen savings scheme every quarter. So every quarter the government releases how much the return will be this time. However, if you've subscribed once and say you subscribed it at 7.4 and the interest rates keeps dropping, still you will receive 7.4% only. So that's how it's going to be. If you've subscribed to it, you will get the rate of return that you had subscribed it in. And like I said, for the second quarter of financial year 2021, it's 7.4% compounded annually, and the senior citizens will receive the interest every quarter. So the difference in this scheme is that you're not receiving an interest every month. You're receiving it every quarter. So the scheme is liquid, which means there is a 5-year lock-in period in this scheme. However, any senior can take it out earlier. There'll be a penalty which will be charged. However, it's not that the money is stuck and gone for 5 years. You can take that money out anytime you really need it. It is of course subject to penalties. So now coming to the tax bit. So, the money that any senior invests in this will be fully tax exempt. So no tax they have to pay on the money that they deposit up to 1.5 lakhs under 80C of the Income Tax Act. So that's how. However, any interest that they receive on this scheme is taxable. So the tax is deducted at source, and say if the total interest in this year is above 10,000 rupees, then they pay tax on it. And if the income that they have is not taxable, if the senior is not making as much income in the tax slab, then they can deposit Form 15H or Form 15G. So then no tax is deducted at source. However, for most of the seniors, they manage to take refunds. Mostly people have money coming in from different sources in retirement. So generally I've seen people take refund from the income tax department. You just need to be a resident Indian to open this account. You need to be over 60 years old. So do make sure that your parents or parents-in-law, aunt, uncle, everybody is 60 plus years. However, if they have a defense background and they took voluntary retirement or they retired on superannuation, then they are eligible for the scheme from the age 55. So that's how it is. The minimum amount that you deposit in this scheme is 1,000 rupees and the maximum is 15 lakhs. So that's how much you can deposit, and there are individual accounts and joint accounts that seniors can open. If they choose to open joint accounts, then it can be 30 lakh rupees. So 30 lakh rupees can be then deposited jointly. Like I said, 7.4% is the per annum interest rate which gets compounded annually, and the interest rate is paid, this interest is paid on the last working day of April, July, October and January. So that's how they get paid in these 4 terms. 5 years is the lock-in period and it can be extended by more than 3 years. And a senior can open as many accounts they want. So as many senior citizen scheme accounts can be opened by them. Nomination facility is available. Premature closure is available, like I mentioned earlier, with penalty. You could open this account in a post office, general post office, head post office, in any PSU bank like Allahabad Bank, Andhra Bank, State Bank, Punjab National Bank. Also, this facility is available in ICICI Bank. So if you're looking for a private bank and an online facility, then ICICI Bank is also available, and going online could make it really easy for seniors. So if you can teach them how to use online account, net banking, then it will become really easy for them, because straight away from the scheme, the money can be transferred to their savings account within the bank. So how they can open the account? So once they've selected where they want to open it, whether it's a bank, a post office, they need to go there, take an account opening form, 2 passport size photographs, address proof like Aadhaar card, passport, PAN card, voter ID, driver's license. Any of these can be used, and original identity proof has to be taken. Some of the points that they need to remember is that the facility of pledging, so no loans are permitted on this scheme. So either they keep it for the 5-year term, extended to 3 years, or they can withdraw it with penalty. No loan facility is available in this scheme. Premature withdrawal or closure is allowed, and like I said, there is a penalty. So if the account is closed after the first year, see, before the first year it can't be closed. So that's very clear. After the first year and before the end of second year, the penalty is 1.5% of the deposit. And after the second year, the penalty is reduced to 1% of the total deposit. So that's how it is. Okay. And like I said, so the penalty is varying between 1 to 1.5%. And it is permitted only after the completion of 1 year. I'm just repeating that so that you guys get it. Portability of the account from one bank to another is allowed. Yeah, I think that's it. That's it. So, okay, let's look at some of the comments. Hello everyone. Thanks for acknowledging that you are here. Rimin, Nidhi, Bina, Anjali, Shubhangi, Rakhi, Lasya, Dabira, Manjula, Preeti, Sarabjit, Seema, Shriya, Sheetal, Jyoti, Ridhima. We are a full house. I'm loving that. It's so how safe it is to open in a PSU bank. Absolutely safe. You can open it. Go for it. I think you've been talking about your mom not going beyond FDs. I think it is high time she watches these videos, Jyoti, with you. Okay, Urvi, you're saying that you're a young last year college student, you're from arts, and you don't have any idea of this much. Okay, you don't have any idea of investments, so you want to start learning which area in newspaper should I focus on. Urvi, I highly recommend first you talk with us. So do make sure you send in your phone number, email ID, talk with us, so that it's not only about this one tip that you get कि अच्छा न्यूज़पेपर में कौन सा सेक्शन पढ़ो. I mean अगर ऐसे पढ़ के हो जाता तो I think सभी कर लेते. However, first you need to lay down the basics. First you need to learn the financial foundation. And yes, these are all the daily actions that you need to take, and like reading the newspaper is one of the daily actions. However, it may not be a starting point, is what I'm saying. It may not be a starting point really. Okay. Any questions, guys? Please start writing. No, Rakhi, you can't open it at age 50. Has to be opened from the age 55 if you are having somebody in defense who's retired, who's taken voluntary retirement or superannuation, and for civilians it's 60 plus. So that's how it is. Got it? So Jyoti is saying it's all clear for her. Bhavna, Meenal, Balvinder, Poonam, Shilpi, good to see you guys. So that's where it completes. It was a simple investment mastery series. And I want to say something. Was it easy, guys? Was it easy to understand? Just say yes, no. Was it easy to understand everything today? Yes, no. Okay, Jyoti saying very easy. Yes, Sarabjit, got that. Super easy. Anjali, Poonam, got that. Thank you for sharing that it was easy. That's what we are about. We are making women. Okay, yeah, Rimi, do that. Easy, informative, Shikha, got that. Ruchika. So, okay, Preeti, I can do that. So guys, our intention is to make stuff easy for our women, especially stuff around finances. So that's what we are about. We are helping women take charge of their finances with simple, easy steps that they can take so that their life becomes easier. So Preeti, coming to you. So no senior, no pledging is allowed. मतलब इसको आप लोन नहीं ले सकते इसके ऊपर. That's what pledging means. Like you cannot pledge these and take loans. You either surrender them or you let the term complete. Either way, you choose. There is no pledging. There is no loan facility which is allowed on the scheme. That's how it is. Okay. Yes, minimum amount is 1,000 rupees, Ridhima, and maximum is 15 lakhs. So that's how it is. Balvinder, you're disappointed only after the age 55. So wait till you're 55, my friend. We'll be older together. Yes, thank you. Okay guys, so if you really enjoyed this video, you want to make women take charge of their finances like you're doing, I suggest you can share this video. Here is a context that I'm creating. You know, when we are sharing something with another, when we are actually telling them that, hey buddy, I am doing this, so can you, you're actually making yourself more accountable. You're making sure that you succeed. because when you share with more people, how they begin to listen you, how they is that you're a wealth creator. They begin to see you as somebody who is striving for that financial success. And the more they see you like that, the more financial success you become. You become, whatever. So go for it, share, because this is going to come back to you only as your financial success. So highly recommending that you share this with the world, because let's together take charge of our finances and help 50 lakh women become financially educated by 2030. Let's make it happen together, because I think we women deserve it. So take charge, stay safe, and say bye-bye to Corona.